The Be a Successful Leader workshop is on Thursday, 19th May 2022, starting at 7 p.m. in person at Emmanuel United Church in Brampton and online via Zoom. The event will provide vital communication and leadership skills while recognizing local leaders for their selfless leadership. Each session will explore one of the skills with a fifth breakout session to allow for a structured discussion and further clarity for each of the competencies. In between the sessions, there will be the presentation of the Communication Achievement Award, Guest of Honor, and the Leadership Recognition Award. Learn more about the sessions and leaders to be recognized by clicking on the plus sign or on the award. Visit successfulleader.org to learn more with the Successful Leader Flipbook about all the sessions and skills you will develop at the Be a Successful Leader Interactive Hybrid Workshop.